Dear student, good morning all. Today I am going to teach you voice under topic present perfect tense related to affirmative sentence. First of all, I will try to understand the formation of sentences under present perfect tense related to affirmative tense. Rule: subject plus helping verb. There are two helping verbs. In this tense means present perfect tense, has and have. Has is used with all singular number subjects and have is used with all plural number subjects. So subject plus has, have, and perfect means always third form. Perfect means always V3. V3 means third form of verb plus object. If the subject is singular number, then I will use has. If the subject is plural, then I will use as helping verb. And V3 is always without, means third person plus object. It is the rule formation of sentence, affirmative sentence in the present perfect tense. And now we will study form a sentence related to present perfect tense. Subject: he has bought a pen. He subject has helping verb, bought V3, third form of verb, a pen object. Again, and when I change it means when active voice changes into passive voice. Before going to this step, we will study the rule related to this. Subjective case of object. Object is a pen, same as the subject as the object, and we use helping verbs has or have. If this subject becomes singular number, then I will use has. If the subject of passive voice becomes plural number, then I will use have. Plus being, plus passive voice means third form of verb, plus by, plus objective case of subject he. The object of he is him. Sentence related to passive voice, he means passive voice. Object of pen, and it is used as singular number subject. So I will take has as a helping verb, and plus being, plus B3 means bought, third form of buy, plus buy, plus objective case of subject he, him. Again, subjective case of object plus has, object had, plus be, plus V3, plus by, plus objective case of subject. Sentence: a pen has been bought by him. And now I will study another type of sentence, negative sentence. Rule: subject plus has, object had, plus not, plus V3, plus object. Subject plus perfect means has, plus not, plus third form of verb, plus object. Sentence: now we will study about the formation of sentences, negative sentences under present perfect tense. First of all, I will write subject according to rule, and again has or have related to this subject. If the subject is plural number, then I will use have. They have, because they is plural number subject. They have, and plus not plus V3 bought plus object many mangoes. Now we will study the rule about to change active into passive voice under present perfect tense, under sentence negative. Subjective case of object plus has, object had, plus not, plus be, plus third part of verb, plus by, plus objective case of subject. Study the rule again. Subjective case of object. Object is many mangoes. Many mangoes